So we're going to see the America of Trump, where Jorge Ramos didn't notice. So why to go to Venezuela when he has all this here? This is America, the first world country, the richest country in the world, where all these people, it's on the street, looking in the trash for food. You don't have to go to Venezuela. You have it here. This is the great America. Jorge Ramos shouldn't go too far. He should just come to LA. This is LA. Downtown LA. The country that thinks that has the right to criticize other countries and to want to invade other countries because they are poor and people are picking food from the trash. This is the great America. Great country. Powerful and rich.